Cat Spies the movie. I can't believe we still love that stuff. I know, right? Wow. Let's gonna go to bed. Wait, you remember we were trying to be good? Not bad. Aww. Now what are we gonna do? What's that little? Oh, it's my mirror. See. We should not tell any of this to, like, our master, okay? Tell any of this to Retina Master. That you have like that. You have lovely skin. Oh, thank you. I have white and violet. Oh, thank you so much. Master? Yes. You remember when we were being good? Like, what? Do you want to be good or bad? Oh, I'm definitely bad. That's awesome. No, it's not. Good's awesome. So, if you want to be like our master, you're being good. So, scurry off. She's so mean. I could just tell her right now. Hey, you're so mean. I know, right? You could just tell her that. How about the pink one can be our master? Her name is Princess. Okay, then. Let's go. We are here. I do not understand. That's my bed. No, don't scream. Who are you guys? Sapphire, come on. We are cat spies. You guys are cat spies? I can't believe it. I can't believe you guys are cat spies. I don't understand. You can understand real good. Alright? So, then, if you want to be a spy, you can be with us. But you're going to be our master. Master? Can I tell you that I'm in love with spies? They're so awesome. She's crazy. Come, I'm going to be your master. Stop. What are we going to do? You don't even know what spies are? No, I do. But I just... Can we just go to the, whatever we call it? Oh, yeah, sure. That was amazing. Your castle's, like, amazing. She's so big. So, like, what do you want to do? I don't know. Do you know how to fun? Fun? What's fun? If it's a fancy day stuff together, you is for you and me. And as for anyone and any time at all, and here in the deep blue sea. I love that song. So that's what it means? I thought if it's fire, or burns down the towers, U is for ukulele, N is for nostrils, N is for nostrils. Okay, you should be quiet now. Okay. That's not what it means. It's like this. If it's for friends, you do stuff together. U is for you and me. N is for anyone, anytime and all, in here in the deep blue sea. See, guys, that's what fun is. It's fun. So, do you guys love fun? Yes, we do. Fun is a great place to do. And we should not be bad guys. Oh, yeah, we can't. So, guys, spies are good. Spies. spies, spies, spies. Laters. That was the movie. I know it wasn't that long, but it was fun. Laters. See ya, and see if you like spies or not. Well, bye.